The Spirit of the Lord speaks through me. His message is on my lips. The God of this small world has spoken. The protector of Kenya said to me, the King who rules with justice, who rules in obedience to God, is like the sun shining on a cloudless dawn, the sun that makes the grass sparkle after rain. And that is how God will bless my descendants, because He has made an eternal covenant with me, an agreement that will not be broken, a promise that will not be changed. That is all I desire. That will be my victory, and God will surely bring it out. But godless people are like those that are thrown away. No one can touch them with bare hands. You must use an iron tool or a spear. They will be burnt completely. This is a word for Kenya, especially though the Kenyan king. The king who rules with justice, who rules in obedience to God, is like the sun shining on a cloudless dawn, the sun that makes the grass sparkle after rain. You who is a leader, I know you are a leader. God has this for you. In everything that you do, do with justice. Kenyan president, do all that you do with justice. Surround yourself with people of wisdom. Let your advisors be people who are Christ-like. And every leader in whichever position, you are an MP, you are a CS, you are a senator, you are a governor, you are a Tanzanian president, you are a Ugandan president, you are a... In fact, we want East Africa to be one state, so that we will be... And before we reach there, we should remove these wicked leaders from in place, so that East Africa will be a state and we will have one king. We should get away with these leaders, these ruthless leaders, these wicked leaders. But you who is a true God servant, if you want to be like a sun shining on a cloudless dawn, to be like a sun that makes the grass sparkle after rain, please kindly rule with justice and rule in obedience to God.